The Travis County Attorney announced her office will dismiss criminal trespassing charges filed against 79 people arrested during an April 29th protest on UT Austin campus. Fox 4's Sean Rabb in studio with more on why. Sean.
Well, Delia Garza, the Travis County Attorney, emphasized after 90 hours of reviewing documents, police body camera footage, talking with folks, her office could not prove criminal trespass beyond a reasonable doubt.
After examining and weighing all the evidence presented, we have determined that we cannot meet our legal burden to prove these 79 criminal trespass cases beyond a reasonable doubt, and they will be dismissed.
The announcement nearly 2 months after the April 29th UT Austin protest turned into a push and shove with law enforcement as pro-Palestinian anti-Israeli protesters occupied part of the campus along the South Lawn.
I want to acknowledge the work of law enforcement officers who responded to these protests. They were directed by the governor and the university officials, and they followed that direction.
Campus and city police, along with state troopers, responded and made arrests. The Travis County Attorney, Delia Garza, said her office weighed what defense attorneys would likely argue and what potential jurors might think of protesters arrested on a college campus, and came to a different conclusion than law enforcement.
Just as they make discretionary decisions every day on whether to make an arrest or not, we make discretionary decisions every day on whether to proceed with prosecution. This is how the system is supposed to work.
Garza adding, even if we don't like what people say, we cannot silence their voices.
Freedom of speech, the foundation of it, was so that government did not interfere, was so that government doesn't stop speech that it doesn't agree with. It's not just speech we agree with, it's speech that we don't agree with. That's exactly why it's there.
This is not the first time the Democrat county attorney publicly criticized the arrest. And she did not mince words, taking a swipe at state leadership, Governor Abbott, who sent the strong police presence to the campus.
The decisions that were made in response to these protests continues to show, as I've said before, the severe lack of leadership we expect from our elected leaders as they continue to prioritize extreme government overreach over actual public safety.
Garza said she was not pressured in any way and that she never heard from the governor or his staff. Now, there were some arrested that day charged with other violations. Those cases still being reviewed. The only ones being dismissed, protesters charged with criminal trespass.
Sean, quick question. She said she kept repeating free speech. That's her point, but that's not exactly criminal trespass. You can criminal trespass and have free speech, yes?
Well, in her opinion, the evidence did not agree with the charge. She said we're not able to prove it beyond reasonable doubt, and yes, free speech was an important point for her.
For her, yeah. Okay. All right, Sean, thank you.